Let us continue Chapter 9, that is Reproduction in Animals. Next is cloning. We can produce an exact copy of a cell, any body part, or a complete organism through a technique known as cloning. So, it is a technique of producing identical organism which is an exact copy of its parent. It has been used for many years to produce plants. In plants, new and similar clones can be produced by a process called tissue culture. Here what we do, we take out a tissue from the parent plant and then we provide a medium which contains nutrient and oxygen. Then in that sample some tiny plantlets develop. Then they are further transferred into compost, that is a kind of manure which is mixed with the soil, and the plantlets grow. In animals, the first clone of a sheep was prepared by Ian Wilmot and his colleagues at Roslin Institute, Edinburgh. The name of the sheep was Dolly, and it was born on 5th July 1996. Let us know how this cloning of Dolly was done. So for that, two females, that is female A and B, were selected. Then body cell was taken out from sheep A. From that the DNA was extracted, means it was the DNA was taken out. Then from female B the egg cell was taken out and further the nucleus was removed. Then DNA from sheep A was allowed to fuse with the egg cell from sheep B. Now this fused cell started developing into embryo, which was later placed in the uterus of foster mother, means surrogate mother. So a lamb was developed and it was exactly the similar or the exact copy of sheep A. And this lamb was nobody else but the Dolly. So, in this way, cloning of Dolly was done. Apart from these, there are many other methods of reproducing by a single parent. You will study about these in your higher classes. Next is viviparous and oviparous animals. So the animals which give birth to young ones or the babies are called viviparous animals. For example, goats, cows, deers, cats and humans. All the mammals are viviparous except platypus and echidna of Australia, which lay eggs. So viviparous animals nurse their babies, means they take care of their young ones. Next is the oviparous animals. The animals which lay eggs are called oviparous animals. In some oviparous animals, the eggs are fertilized outside the body, like fish and frog, whereas in some animals, the eggs are fertilized inside the body, for example, in reptiles and birds.